Right now I want to show you how to install our exclusive tilt and turn motion attachment bolt and knob hardware kit to a RAM-VB-TNT-45 motion plate system and a swing arm system. So what we're going to do is get these devices connect together like so you can use a knob to allow this to swing around in the 360 degree. So first things first, when you purchased the RAM-VB-TNT45 system like this, it includes some hardware. The hardware that comes with it is a nut, a bolt, a washer, and then this large rubber washer. The only part of this hardware we need with this mounting kit is this rubber washer. So let's take this other hardware out of the way and just look at what's available to us here. So first things first, we need to take this 3-inch long carriage bolt, which is included with our exclusive kit, and drop it into that little square hole you can see just in there. Now this takes a little bit of patience to get that in. You've just got to drop it into the hole slightly and then just wiggle it down in. If you try to do it too hard, it actually gets stuck, so the more easily you drop it into that hole, the easier it is to get in. So now we take the rubber washer that's included with the TNT45 system and push that right up the head of the bolt. Now what we do is take the swing arm and just place that over the bolt there up to the rubber washer. Now we take the flat washer, and now we take the bearing washer, which is a silver washer, the blue washer and silver washer. And it's a good idea to put some grease on these when you put them in so that they have a lot better less friction when using them, so that they rotate really well when you loosen the knob. Tighten the knob up, and there we have it. Now your tilt and turn system is ready to go. So if this swing arm is connected to a device or a base, you can just loosen that, and now your motion plate spins around, and then you can just tighten this plate up by using that knob, and now that plate will not spin in the 360 degree, but when this knob here is loosened, the plate will rotate in 45 degrees from horizontal, so it'll tilt 45 degrees forward and back. And then once you've got that in its right spot, you can just tighten this side knob, and that'll hold whatever's connected at that angle. The beauty of this as well is it has a hole pattern there will match up to the VESA pattern, the small and large VESA pattern, 100mm and 75mm, which is found on the back of many monitors. It has a hole pattern here, which is a half VESA, which connects to many different devices, and then you also have the amps hole pattern in the center there, which connects to many other RAM devices and third-party cradles. So there you have it. That's how you use our exclusive tilt and turn motion attachment bolt and knob hardware kit with the RAM-VB-TNT45 motion plate when connecting it to a RAM swing arm.